Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, you need to have Capcut application. Now click the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template. Now upload your file photo or video. You can use any. Then click on Next. Now click on Text. Now edit your name, year, flag and height. Now check your video. Now click on Export and then click on Export without watermark. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.